Hello! Welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. For today, I'm sure yung recipe na to is very familiar sa inyo, which is chicken cordon bleu. Diba? So, I'm sure na-order nyo yan, nakain nyo, or naturo sa inyo. But, of course, we're making it a little different in version. Tsaka, syempre, we're gonna be coating it with breadcrumbs. So, lalagyan din natin ng konting gravy on the side. So, very easy. So, it's just chicken breast. Ipa-flatten natin. Then, we coat it with flour, eggs, breadcrumbs. We stuff it with cheese and ham. Fry it. Then, make gravy. Okay? Let's cook. So, first, this is the chicken breast. Nabili ko na siya. Na-flatten na siya. No? Pero remember when you're talking about chicken na it's thick, that's why we pound it para pumantay. And it's easy for us to fold. And it's easy to put some breadcrumbs. Okay, there we go. Fold ko lang siya mamaya. Basically, ganyan natin siya gagawin. So, let me just flatten it some more. Yeah. Para pantay-pantay na siya. There. Okay. Laki, no? Para na siyang steak. Let's just pounding it. Other side. So, you want to flatten it para it's easy to fold, easy to put stuffing. If you're vegetarian, you can actually put sauteed spinach instead of ham. Very easy. Actually, pag pumunta kayo sa palengke, pwede mo nang pa-fillet. Pwede yun na nga pa-flatten eh. But, for the purposes of the video, I didn't have them do it. So, let me just wash my hands. Hold on. Pwedeng vegetable oil, canola oil, or any kind of oil just for frying, no? Salt and pepper. Seasoning it. Kasi okay, and then this is where we stuff cheese, any kind of cheese na mag-melt. Ito, it's just, I think, cooked ham. Yan. Okay, now breading it. Well, it gets sealed. Normally, iba diretso sa breadcrumbs. But, from culinary school, we coat it first with flour. Okay, so all in the right. Flour, eggs, breadcrumbs. So you have to cover all surfaces. Okay, and one of the reasons why you're putting flour is para mas kumapit, diba? Because of the moisture. I'm gonna use my other hand. So ito. Dry hand from the flour. I'm gonna use it with the breadcrumbs. Oops, sorry. So we just cook this about probably a total of 10 minutes. This is very thick. And I think it's ready. Now we season again with salt and pepper. While we're frying, we're gonna do the gravy. Okay? Close. Very easy. Flour. So we're gonna cover all surfaces again. Exactly like what we did kanina. So, you can make it into smaller cups. Kunyari, gagawa kayo ng buffet. Pwede niyang gawin yun. It's just that ngayon, marami kami. So, there. Lapit na to. And then from here, we're gonna cook our gravy. very easy. I'm just gonna put butter. So now we have the butter. So here, this is the roux, no? So this is flour and butter. So ito yung magtitikin ng sauce natin, gravy. Okay? So see, hindi nag-spill yung cheese, diba? Just a few more minutes. So we'll just wait for this to boil. Magtitikin na siya because of the roux that we made. Call it a roux. So that was flour and butter. So if you want a darker gravy, ang gagawin mo lang is actually to burn it. Meaning, mas ipapa-brown mo. Since we made it light, you keep it like that. And we just add a little bit of green parents for color. Nice and smooth. So see, look at the texture. Iba yung thicken niya pag ginamit mo cornstarch. Iba din yung when it's a roux. No? So look at that, it's very smooth. Of course, normally, chicken cordon bleu has no gravy. Pero syempre, with me, gusto ko ng ma-sauce. So, we're adding sauce. Okay? Here is our chicken cordon bleu. Jumbo.